our YouTube channel has reached 100 subscribers. So first of all, thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm going to continue to produce more information, more videos, okay, to the subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the link below, okay, and click the subscribe button, and so that you can get a notification when we actually have our next video. Before we continue, we are going to set up the shelf. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so now let's get started. Okay, so question of the day, Andy. GS is getting low. How to use CFD to short? Goldman Sachs has been on a downtrend. Okay, if you take a look at some of the bank counters, you see that they're actually on a downtrend. So the good news right now is that they actually rebound recently. And how do we use CFD to short? So in CFD, right, what do we do here is when we say short, right, we just do what we call a sell in CFD. So in CFD, as long as you do not have the share, when you sell, it's called a short sell. So what do we do here is we sell first. So after we sell, okay, we do a limit order. Okay, so limit order. Okay, so for Goldman Sachs, let's see how much is it right now. Watch list. Okay, go to the watch list and search for Goldman Sachs. Okay, so when you search for Goldman Sachs CFD, add it into your watch list. So what do you see here is the margin requirement 10%, trade allowed, long and short. Okay, finance charge, long finance charge 4.25%, short finance charge 2.75%, commission 0.18% of the contract value, and minimum is $15. Okay, so what do we do here is we click on the trade button. Okay, we click on the trade button, and what do you see here is, okay, you see this limit order. So when you do a sell, let's say this is the first time you sell, you just key in, let's say 20 shares. Okay, or maybe 10 shares. Okay, 10 shares. So for $222, if you do 10 shares sell, okay, it will only cost you margin required $222. Okay, $222, 10% of the contract value. So what do you do here? This is, okay, we call it a market order. So you just sell at the market, okay, key in a password and submit. Okay, so before you trade CFD, please make sure that you already fund the account. So you need to have money inside. You need to see the available cash before you can trade. So what do you do? After you put in the money, you can key in this trade like me. And what do you do is, okay, you key in a day order, a limit order to sell. And what's more important here is the next step. The next step, okay, is to set a stop loss. Okay, so at 222 you sell. Okay, at what price will you buy back if you are wrong? Okay, so what you do here is, when after I key in this order, my order get done, I will key in another order immediately. Okay, I will key another order called stop limit order. Okay, so this order is called stop limit order. Okay, so stop limit order. Okay, how do we set? Okay, so let's say 222 is the price you short. So let's say 242. Okay, the price you buy back. Let's say you buy back at around 10% stop loss. So 242. So you want to buy using the limit order at 242. And how do you set it? Is you set it a buy order 242 with a limit at 240, let's say 3. Okay, so buy stop at 242. So from 242 start selling the maximum I want to go is 242. That's why we have to set a spread so that if we have a lot of shares, it will sell within this this spread. Okay, so the best, okay, the stop limit order, I always give you the best price first. So if you can done everything at 242, then it will go at 242. Okay, so this is how you set it. And most important thing is you want to set it good till date, GTD, until, let's say, you know, end of the month or until next month. Okay, so GTD means good till date. So your stop loss, okay, you just set it there. You do not have to think about, you know, when do you want to monitor or all this. Okay, you just set it there, okay, all the way until the end of the month or until next month. Okay, so that's what I always do. And you know, this you know, you have to try again and again to do this over and over again. So to learn how to trade, it's not just about you know, reading. It's not just about watching videos. It's all about this. Okay, it's all about setting the order, setting the stop loss. So what you do here is, okay, if you can always, you know, set a, you know, go in and long, go in and short, okay, with CFD. And what you do is, again, every time after you place a trade, your order get done, you set a stop loss. Okay, you set a stop loss again and again, again and again. You repeat this habit over and over again. Okay, that is a good habit in trading. Because why? At the end of the day, your losses are all limited, okay, with the stop loss order. And at the end of the day, your profit is unlimited because you didn't set the profit target. Okay, so that's what I do always. Okay, I hope this video has helped you. We see you in the next video.